signal. Yeah. Second. Now keep out.
Oh yeah.
Slow it down.
It hasn't gone off the signal.
Slow it down. Keep out.
Am I okay?
Good. Nice job. Off we go. So that bus that was waiting there,
yeah,
shouldn't be coming round, should he? If
no.
He couldn't clear. Well done. At the traffic lights,
yeah.
turn right, please. What's your plan? Sound. Keep going then. You see the arrow's gone off on the lights, so what are the oncoming vehicles going to do?
Go.
Okay, so just go into the middle.
Yeah.
Slow. So we're not going to clear, are we? Slow it down.
Sorry.
Slow, stop. So the bus's signal nearly made you go in front of it there, didn't it? Okay, so I had to pull you back because I could tell he wasn't slowing you enough to go in that road. Good. Well done. So you were just working off the signal, nothing else, and that's the classic case of signals being misleading.
Yeah.
You have to wait till people do it before you go.
Yeah.
Onto it. Left at the lights. What colour are our lights on?
We're on go, aren't we?
Good, we certainly are. Well done. Nice job.